Hey everyone, so we are going to be working on our graphing page today. This is version 2, so if your graphing page does not look like this in your work packet, you can refer to the other video. Excuse me. Graphing. Number 1, count the number of symbols in each row. Place that number in the last column. 2, answer the questions about the graph. So we're going to do this, and then we're going to answer this. All right, the first one is a golf ball. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 golf balls.
7.
Video. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 videos. And remember, if I'm going too quickly
4.
for you, then definitely pause the video and take your time. The next one is piano. 1, 2.
2.
Our next one is golfer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
And our last one is college. 1, 2, 3.
3.
So we have 7 golf balls, 4 videos, 2 pianos, 5 golfers, and 3 colleges. Now let's answer some questions. Number 1, which word has the most symbols? So let's look. All our words are listed here. Which word has the most symbols? Is it golf ball, video, piano, golfer, or college? So the one with the most is golf ball because there are 7. So we're going to put golf ball.
Golf ball.
Number 2, which word has the fewest symbols? So let's look. We know it's not golf ball because this one has the most. So is it video, piano, golfer, or college? Out of all these, which one has the fewest? I'd say piano. Piano only has 2. So we're going to put piano.
Piano.
Number 3. Let me scroll up a little bit so when we answer it, we'll see. Number 3. What is the highest number? So out of these, we have 7, 4, 2, 5, and 3. Which number is the highest? The number that is the highest is 7.
7.
So then number 4 asks, well, what is the lowest number? Lowest. Is it 4, 2, 5, or 3? Out of the ones we have left, which one's the lowest? So that would be 2. 2 is our lowest number.
2.
Number 5. Do any words have the same number? So let's look. Are any of these numbers the same? 7, 4, 2, 5, and 3. Are any of them the same? No. Sorry, the no is behind my screen.
No.
But the answer is no. There are none of them are the same. Number 6. Are there more video symbols or golfer symbols? So let's look. We have video has 4. Golfer has 5. Which one has more? Video or golfer? Golfer has more. Because golfer has 5, video only has 4. And last note, number 7. How many more college symbols are there than piano symbols? So college has 3. So let's look. 1, 2, 3. So we'll put 3.
3.
Piano over here has 2.
2.
So we do 3 minus 2, 1, 2, and the answer is 1.
1.
So there are 1 more college symbols than there are piano symbols.